Welcome to Holdwell Mechanical and Electrical Co., Ltd., located in Shaoshan, Hangzhou. Holdwell currently has more than 270 employees, an excellent foreign trade sales team, and a strong supply chain procurement team, providing the highest quality and most sincere service to each Holdwell customer. We OEM and aftermarket mechanical and electrical components for off-road equipment, such as diesel engine, power generator, construction machinery, agricultural machinery, aerial work platform, transport refrigeration, air compressor, and so on. Here is our company lab. We are dedicated to providing product testing services to ensure our products reach optimal levels of reliability and performance. Equipped with precision instruments, we conduct rigorous testing and inspections for product, from electrical tests to performance evaluations. Our professional team ensures product undergoes strict testing processes to guarantee its quality and reliability. The following is our company production center. Every step finely tuned to ensure our products meet the highest standards. From receiving raw materials to packaging the final product, each stage undergoes rigorous quality control. Our production line employs cutting-edge automation equipment and intelligent technology to ensure optimal production efficiency and product quality. We will continue to strive for excellence, enhancing our production standards to provide customers with superior products and services. Our warehouse covers an area of 6,000 square meters with 30,000 regular inventory, including large stock for engine parts, electrical parts. Warehouse has 47 staff members, responsible for product warehousing, outbound, quality inspection, packaging. Holdwell Warehouse makes the utmost effort to ensure that every package is intact and delivered on time to our customers. Through strict inbound checks, efficient picking and packing, and timely outbound processes, we deliver goods in optimal condition. We focus on precise warehouse management and process optimization to boost efficiency, cut costs, and maintain inventory accuracy. Warehouse is not just for storage but a cornerstone for customer satisfaction. With a customer-centric approach and top-notch management, we support our customers' success.